This is the shape and the color of A. Do not enter sign. When you see this sign, you must stop corporate tree, check for pedestrians and cross traffic. When you see this sign, you must stop corporate tree, check for pedestrians and cross traffic. This sign means yield. This sign means yield. This sign means no U-turn. This sign means no U-turn. This sign means no right turn. This sign means no right turn. This sign means the road that you're on intersects with a divided highway. This sign means that the road that you're on intersects with a divided highway. You need to use extra caution when driving near a pedestrian using a white cane because he or she is blind. You need to use extra caution when driving near a pedestrian using a white cane because he or she is blind. When driving near a blind pedestrian who is carrying a white cane or using a guide dog, you should slow down and be prepared to stop. When driving near a blind pedestrian who is carrying a white cane or using a guide dog, you should slow down and be prepared to stop. If there are no signals at a railroad crossing, you should slow down and prepare to stop if you see or hear train approaching. If there are no signals at a railroad crossing, you should slow down and prepare to stop if you see or hear a train approaching. You may drive around the gate at a railroad crossing. Never. You may not drive around the gate at a railroad crossing. What marks have you got in these 10 questions? Please write in comment. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel.